Exercise 8 on the page 60. Write as a decimal number. So these decimal fractions should be written as decimal numbers. So first we have 7 over 10. We have 1 0, so we should have one decimal digit. So here the decimal digit is 7, 1 0, one decimal digit, and we put the decimal point right here. 23 over 100, we have 2 zeros, that means 2 decimal digits. We write 23, we have 2 zeros, 2 decimal digits, and we put the point right here, and we should put 0 in the ones digit. And then we have 55 over 1000, 3 decimal digits. So if you want to solve it like this, 3 zeros, that means 3 decimal digits, 1 2 3 decimal digits, and the point is right here. And then we start from right. We put 5 and then 5, and there's no numbers here, so we have to fill by 0 and 0. So it becomes like this, 0.055 or 55,000th. And then we have 37 over 10. So we have 1 0, so we have one decimal digit, and we put the decimal point here, and we start from right. 7, we put 7 here, and then we put 3 here, so it's 3.7. So 1 0, one decimal digit, and the point is right here. Here we have this fraction, 4,554 over 10 to the power 2. What's 10 to the power 2? That means 10 multiplied by itself 2 times. 10 times 10. Here we have 10 power 3, that means 10 multiplied by itself 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10. Okay? So this is 10 to the power 2, that means 10 multiplied by itself 2 times. 1, 2 times, which means 100. Here we have 10 to the power 3, that means multiplied by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times, which means 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1000. So as we said before, also here the number 3 has an indication for the number of zeros. We have 10 power 3, that means 1 and followed by 3 zeros. 10 to the power 2, 1 and followed by 2 zeros. And then for 4,554 over 100. So as we said before, we could use this method. We have 2 zeros, so we have 2 decimal digits, and we have the point right here, and then we start from right. Then we put 4 to the right, and then we have 5, and then we have 5, and then we have 4. So it's 45.54 or 45 and 54 hundredth. So it's like this. We write the number as it, and then we take 2 decimal digits since we have 2 zeros, and we put the point right here. And then as we said, 10 to the power 3 is 1 followed by 3 zeros. It's 1000. That means 3 decimal digits. 1, 2, 3 decimal digits, and we put the decimal point right here. And then we fill from the right. 4 here. 0, 0, 0 and 0, and then we have a 3. Okay, so it's 3.004 or 3 and 4,000th. So 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3 decimal digits, and the point right here.